morning movers. Let's get to that with Scarlet Food.
Let's start with Cliffs Resources. It is down in the pre-market trading by almost 5% right now to the lowest level since early September. The company is the biggest U.S. iron ore producer. This is the raw material for steel, and weak demand from Europe, from China, means that the company is delaying its expansion plans in Quebec and idling some production at 2 U.S. operations. But interestingly, in its comment, Cliffs says that its forecast for U.S. sales volume remains unchanged.
Watch Best Buy today. We've got earnings, but not just that. Our deals reporters here at Bloomberg also reporting that Cerberus and 2 other private equity firms are working with Best Buy founder Richard Schultz on a takeover bid of the electronics chain. Remember, he's wanted an extra 30 days to conduct some due diligence, according to people familiar that we talked to.
All right, I'm also looking at Chesapeake, which is moving in a big way this morning after Carl Icahn disclosed that he has increased his stake in the nat gas company to 8.98%. Chesapeake has gained about 12% since the activist investor first announced his stake back in May. Of course, Chesapeake has gone through a lot of turmoil, what with questions about Aubrey McClendon, the CEO's cash holdings and what he's been doing with the company. But Chesapeake right now indicated to open higher, 1787 in the pre-market.
And I'll pick Green Mountain here, Scarlet. Help me out, because we've just got word that Green Mountain Coffee has named Coke's Brian Kelly CEO. We're learning that they're going to pay him $500,000 for relocation, $600,000 for a sign-on bonus, and the employment pact will be for 4 years with base pay of $900,000. In case you're looking for some of the juicy numbers behind this relocation, Brian Kelly from Coke to Green Mountain Coffee.
And he replaces Lawrence Blanford, who is retiring. He had been CEO since 2007. So this is not necessarily a change because of controversy, but more of a.
But we should.
And investors like it. You can see
we
it's
should
early.
note the stock price from 100 to 27. As a general idea, it's bounced off the 20 level.
There
so
you
they
go.
got some work to do. There are a lot of that. To me, that's a really competitive area as well.
Quick mention here of Research in Motion. It is moving higher in the pre-market. Jefferies no longer says sell this stock. You can see there a bump up of 4.6% to $10.03. Jefferies rating it a hold for now.